So in the fall of 2022, Omni kicked off a growth strategy to triple the size of the organization in the next 7 years. That growth is going to be a mix of both organic growth and acquisitive growth, and Domino's definitely going to be a partner that we're going to bring along for that growth strategy. My name's Mike Merton, Omni's president, joined the organization summer of 2019. Our headquarters is located just outside of Cleveland, Ohio. We also have facilities in Cincinnati, St. Louis, and Kansas City, Kansas. This plant is our largest location. It's 144,000 square feet with 33 production lines, running anything from continuous feed labels to barcodes. One of the key factors that helps us reduce costs for our customers is that we package at the end of our production lines, meaning rolls at one end and finished products at the other. We have a wide variety of markets we service, including logistics and distribution, healthcare, health and beauty, food, and RFID products. So as things continue to evolve, Omni ensures that we stay out in front of those new technologies to make sure we're able to properly support our customers. Omni's culture is really driven by continuous improvement, really driving autonomy, giving people space to kind of do their roles. We really empower our employees to go out and make decisions that drive change and that kind of makes a daily impact for the company. We are the largest privately owned label maker in America. With over 300 employees, we continue to grow each year. Along with that growth, our goal is to be carbon neutral by 2030, and partners like Domino help with that goal. As Omni looks to kind of bring in new equipment to kind of support our operations, really rely back on those kind of long-term partnerships that we've developed with suppliers. So by partnering with Domino, we've actually been able to dedicate 3 lines to Domino inkjet-based products that produce 8 million labels a day, just in those 3 lines. Speed and efficiency today is kind of more important than ever. The Domino equipment and reliability allows us to kind of take that speed and efficiency, give it back to our customers, and drive the savings that they look for year over year. So we can run 24 hours, 5 days a week with no downtime. And that will be important for the GS1 Sunrise initiative, which will ensure consumers are receiving the proper product information. And Omni's confident that Domino's going to be there to kind of support us through that change, not only supporting our current customer base, but allow us to go out and attract new customers with the changes. Omni feels the Domino difference in a number of different ways. If it's a level of support that we need when something does come up and we reach out to their tech support, if it's the level of reliability that we get from their equipment, allows us to keep the uptime and the throughput kind of going with our presses. And it's even with the way that they're pushing the boundaries of technology, looking for ways to make digital print better, more efficient. It supports us in our initiative to provide the highest quality labels at the lowest price.
As we buy equipment, we're very keen on understanding what the return on investment is on that equipment. Domino's helped us to drive productivity, which saves money and ultimately allows us to turn that around to customers, helping us to provide the highest quality labels at the lowest prices. Thanks, Domino.
From the Omni Systems family, thanks, Domino.